The memory process in psychology refers to how information is encoded, stored, and retrieved in the human memory system. It involves several stages, including encoding, storage, and retrieval. Encoding. This is the first stage of the memory process, where information from the external world is transformed into a format that can be stored and processed in the brain. Encoding can occur through various sensory modalities, such as visual, by seeing, auditory, by hearing, or tactile, by touching, stimuli. Different encoding techniques, such as elaborative rehearsal or repetition, can affect the depth and strength of encoding, influencing later memory retrieval. Storage. Once information is encoded, it enters the storage phase, where it is held in the memory system for later retrieval. According to the traditional model of memory, there are three primary storage systems. Sensory memory. This is the initial stage of memory, where sensory information from the environment is briefly registered. It has a large capacity but a short duration, a few seconds at most. Short-term memory, STM, also known as working memory, this is where information is temporarily held and actively processed. It has a limited capacity, usually about 7 ± 2 items, and a relatively short duration, around 15 to 30 seconds, unless it is rehearsed or transferred to long-term memory. Long-term memory, LTM. This is the vast and relatively permanent memory storehouse where information is stored for long-term use. It has a potentially unlimited capacity and can retain information for an extended period, ranging from minutes to years or even a lifetime. Retrieval. Retrieval is the process of accessing and recalling stored information from long-term memory and bringing it back to conscious awareness. It involves reconstructing and reactivating the encoded information. Retrieval can be influenced by various factors, including the strength of encoding, the presence of retrieval cues or prompts, and the context in which the information was encoded and stored. There are different models and theories in psychology that explain the memory process, such as the Atkinson-Shiffrin model, Baddeley's working memory model, and the levels of processing theory. Researchers continue to study memory to gain a deeper understanding of how it works and how it can be improved or affected by various factors. Regenerate response.